Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to work on adult bronze move in the field test. First exercise will be forward and backward perimeter power stroking. We're going to focus on continuous flow and strength of your crossovers. You're going to do forward crossover followed by forward inside edge. Alternate from different legs. On the second half, we're going to do backward crossover to 2-foot transition on inside edge. Second exercise will be power 3 turns. Again, we're going to focus on continuous flow and strong skating skills. Make sure that you 3 turn on the top on a half circle and your 2-foot transition is on inside edge. You're going to do this from left leg on one side and then from right foot on other side. Check your position after 3 turn, step into 2-foot transition, and then backward crossover. Third exercise will be alternating backward crossovers to backward outside edge. Power, extension, and nice flow. You're going to do 4 half circles and then backward crossovers at the end. Next one is forward circle 8. You're going to do forward outside edge on a figure 8 followed by forward inside edge on a figure 8. Make sure you're not pushing with your toe picks. Good inside edge, whole blade need to stay on the ice when you push. And the last exercise is 5-step Mohawk sequence. You're going to do 5-step Mohawk from one foot followed by 5-step Mohawk from other foot. Focusing on edge quality and extension. Thank you for watching. See you next time.